friends, today is an exciting day. We're gonna get out the Christmas stuff. Yay, the Christmas stuff! I love to decorate. I love how excited the kids get when they see all the twinkling lights and all the snowmen and all the Santa Clauses and all the things. I love that. I am a kid at heart. So, it's a chilly day today. It started off around in the 30s and I don't really have a lot of hope for it. They're calling for the 50s. I doubt it. It's very cloudy, but you know, it's not going to get better. So we'll be in snow. They're calling for snow next week. And you know, where I live, it snows for like 5 years straight. So today is probably going to be our best chance to be able to get out there and stay out there until it's done without hypothermia or losing some of your digits. So I think that's what we're going to do today. When I'm all done, I will bring you back and show you how we made out. So I hope we have a fun and bearable time, right? It is cold out, but I think I'm dressed warm enough, and I think if we throw some gloves on our hands, we'll be able to get out there and get it done. So, all right, when I'm all situated, I'll show you how we made out. Hi guys, so I'm outside. It is a pretty chilly night and it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to go really quick, but I thought this was like the perfect twilight kind of time to be able to let you see these lights kind of clearly. I've tried to film them at night and they just don't film very well, so I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll take a look at how the lights turned out. All right. So my first little guy is this, I don't know, he's probably maybe 6 feet tall, wooden snowman. I got him in Pennsylvania on a trip, and he's really cute. I've been dragging him around for a while. This is simple. So we have a simple little pine garland and some bows on the corners, our Christmas wreath, and this wooden sign was part of a yard stake. I got it at like the Dollar Tree or something, and I ripped the stake off and used it on a wreath. These vintage snowshoes. I've added some pine and some light. When I purchased this house, it was loaded with lots of stuff, mostly junk. Some of the items were keepers. This little strange frame, I guess we'll call it, a little spiral frame, had some really ugly metallic garland, all faded and just really terrible. I ripped that off and threw some pine on it with some little lights, and bam, it's cute. We'll keep it. Then we have more pine garland over these big doors and our wreaths. But here's the funny story. You may find it funny. It wasn't funny at the time. It's funny now. So last year at Lowe's, I seen this 7-foot angel. I think she's 7.5 feet tall. She took my breath away. I thought it was so beautiful. There was only one in the store, and I could have bought it, but it was together, and I couldn't figure out how I could get it in my car. So I had to wait for her to ship. So patiently waiting, she finally shipped, and we eagerly set her up and turned her on. She was gorgeous, and when I checked on her in the morning, she was snapped off right at the waist, bent right over, and every day that followed was a similar thing. One day her beautiful hair blew off, one day she was tipped over bad. Every day it was an ordeal. So I zip tied her like crazy, and we'll see how she fares this year. So far so good. I think this should be her year, I think. So we'll see how she makes out. Out in the distance you can see that's one big pine tree in green, another in red, another in green. And let me go around and I will show you. These LED lights are the bomb. Remotes and timers, they can go steady, fade, strobe, flash, every sort of thing. I have them all green tonight, but they've been a myriad of colors. So eventually, after Thanksgiving, up in that corner, a projector will do an image of Santa Claus for the kids. So that should be great. So that's it. Simple and festive, easy to put away. That's the real benefit. We had a great day today and got a ton of stuff done. Feeling really happy, very chill, very all is calm, all is bright kind of vibe going on, enjoying my Christmas lights. You can see behind me the green coming through the window. They're those LED lights that I was telling you about. I'm telling you what, you need to get those lights. If you get those lights, you will be the magnet in the neighborhood. Every car in your neighborhood will be slow buying you like crazy. Every Christmas light seeker is like attracted to those lights like moths to flames. They're awesome. Get them. I'll link below in case you want to get them. But that's really all I have for today. If you found value in this video, if you had a laugh, if you learned something new, if you were inspired to try something new, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. All right, guys, that's it for now. See you next time. Bye-bye. The flakes are falling. We're supposed to get about 6 inches tonight.